Good morning class. Today we will learn about the chemistry of class 10th and the chapter number 2. Chapter name is acid, bases and salts. Today's topics about the salt. Today we will learn about the salt. In previous classes we had already learned about the acids and bases. Now in this video we will learn about the salt. What is salt and how it is produced. Salts are ionic compounds. Salts are the ionic compounds which are produced after neutralization reaction. Salts are ionic compounds which are produced after neutralization reaction. In previous video, we had already learned about what is neutralization reaction. The neutralization reaction, a type of reaction in which acid and base react with each other and form salt and water. This reaction is known as neutralization reaction. It means that salt is an ionic compound which is formed after the neutralization reaction between acid and base. Now salts are electrically neutral in nature. Salts are electrically neutral in nature. It means it contains both positively as well as negatively ion. Both ions are present in the compound of salt, that's why it is electrically neutral in nature. Generally, the salts which are present or which are formed in nature that are crystalline in nature. It means it form in a crystal form, and mostly salts are soluble in water. Now see, acid react with base, form salt and water. This reaction is known as neutralization reaction, and after neutralization reaction salts are formed. Now next, family of salt. How many families of salts are there and how we know that this is the family of salt? So nearly 12 families of salts are known. So what is the family of salts? Salts having common acidic or basic radicals. Salts which are having common acidic or basic radicals that are belongs to same family. Again I am repeating what are the family of salt? The salts which are having same radicals, either acidic or basic, that are belongs to same family. For example, NaCl and CaCl2. It means sodium chloride and calcium chloride. In both salt, what is common? Chlorine. Chlorine is common in both salts, that's why it belongs to chloride family. Now next, CaCl2, calcium chloride and calcium sulfate, CaSO4. In both salt, what is common? Here calcium. Calcium is common in both the salt, that's why it belongs to calcium family. So now this is salt. It means the salts are the ionic compound which are formed after neutralization reaction between acid and base. Generally it is crystalline in nature and soluble in water and electrically neutral in nature. Salts are electrically neutral in nature because it possesses both positive or negative ions. Now neutralization reaction is acid plus base. Acid plus base form salt and water. This is neutralization reaction. Now student, next thing what we will learn about the salt is pH of salt. How we will know what is the pH of salt, or on the basis of pH what is the nature of salt. How we will know what is the nature of salt? It means the salt which are produced after neutralization reaction, what is its nature? It is acidic, basic or neutral in nature. So see how we know pH of salt. So whenever strong acid react with strong base, you have already know that what is strong acid, what is strong base. Once again I am repeating, the acid which produces more hydronium ion concentration, the acid which produces more hydronium ion concentration, that is strong acid, and the base which produces more hydroxyl ion concentration, that are known as strong base. So whenever strong acid react with strong base, the reaction between strong acid and strong base produces neutral salt. It means the pH of the salt will be 7. The pH of the salt will be 7 because it is neutral in nature. Now next, what happened? When strong acid react with weak base, strong acid react with weak base, then the salt will be acidic in nature. The salt will be acidic in nature and the pH will be less than 7. pH will be less than 7 because the salt which are produced after reaction strong acid and weak base is acidic in nature. So the acidic in nature, it means its pH value ranges 0 to 6.9, 0.1 to 6.9. It means the pH value is less than 7. Now number 3, whenever weak acid react with strong base, weak acid react with strong base, it produces basic salt. It produces basic salt and the pH will be more than 7. More than 7. So these are the pH of salt. Number 1, whenever strong acid react with a strong base, salt will be neutral in nature, and strong acid react with weak base, acidic in nature. Whenever weak acid react with strong base, the salts are basic in nature. So these are the pH of salt. Now what is common salt or table salt? What is common salt? That we will learn. Common salt. What is common salt? NaCl. NaCl or sodium chloride. Sodium chloride is known as common salt. Sodium chloride, generally known as common salt or table salt. It is also known as table salt. How it is formed? It is formed by the reaction of hydrochloric acid, that is HCl, and NaOH, means sodium hydroxide. Whenever HCl or hydrochloric acid react with sodium hydroxide, it forms NaCl and H2O, that is water. Now NaCl which are produced after the reaction, that are neutral in nature. This is neutral in nature because HCl is a strong acid and NaOH, that is strong base. So after reaction between a strong acid and a strong base, the salt, that is NaCl, form, that is neutral in nature. Now common salt or table salt, we are using this salt generally to enhance the taste of the food. We are using this to enhance the taste of the food. Now some salts are also obtained from seawater. Seawater also contain crystalline forms of salt. So we can also separate the salt from the seawater. In Bygone ages, whatever seas are dried up, now there rocks of salts are there, or bedrocks of salts are there. So from there we can also mine the salt. As we are mining the coal, same as we are mining the salt from that beds of rock. The salt which we are obtained from seawater, that contain also impurities. That's why that are brown in color. The salt which we obtain from seawater, that contains impurities. That's why the color of the salt is brown, and that salt is known as rock salt. That salt is known as rock salt. So now this is all about the common salt or table salt. Now in next video we will learn about the uses of common salt. What is the uses of common salt as a raw material? We are using common salt in the production of many other substances. Common salt also used as a raw material, that we will learn in the next video. Thank you class.